Hello, good morning everyone. Today we'll see the comfort devices, or we can say it is the mechanical devices also. That is, we can see so many mechanical devices is here. The smallest one is the pillow, and pillow, backrest, rolls, footrest, footboard, sandbags, air and water mattresses, rings, bed cradle, bed blocks, and air cushions. So we'll see one by one what is the pillow. Pillow are used to give a comfortable position to the patient. These are most commonly used for support various body part. Purpose to maintain proper body alignment, to support body part in good alignment, help to reduce pressure. It can be folded, rolled or tucked firmly against the body to maintain the position. It is used to support head, neck, arm, leg and part of the back, add to the physical comfort. Then comes the backrest. Backrest is a mechanical device which provides a suitable support and rest for the back of the patient in the sitting position. The purpose of that to support the back, to facilitate easy breathing. It's given specially for heart patients and asthma patients. This position used in a post-operative period. Then comes the rolls. Hand rolls are made of cloth that rolled in the cylindrical cylinder about 4 to 5 inches long and 2 of 3 inches in diameter and stuffed firmly. Purpose of that the roll are they are used to keep the fingers from being held in a tight first, leading to flexion contracture in patients who are unable to move hand due to paralysis, injury or diseases. Thighs rolls are made by folding a sheet to the desired length of the 2 to 3 feet and then rolled into a tight cylinder. Thighs rolls are used to support hips and thighs, preventing them from outward rotation and keeping the feet in good alignment. In case of paralysis, fracture of femur, of hip surgery. Footrest. Footrest are mechanical devices used to give rest to feet. Sandbags or footboard may be substitute. Purpose of that, it helps to maintain the normal position of feet. It is used for a comfort to prevent foot drops. Then comes the sandbag. Sandbags are canvas, rubber or a plastic bag filled with sand and are 1, 5 and 10 IBs in weight. Sandbags are used to immobilize a part. Purpose of the sandbag is to relieve the discomfort, used to support the body part, used to immobilize the body part, used to support as in fracture bone, to prevent foot drop or a wrist drop. Air and water mattress. Air and water mattresses are used for very thin or objects or obese patient and for those who are prone to get the pressure sore. The principles is that pressure exerted by the body will be distributed equally in all directions. Air and water mattresses are plastic mattresses with two sets of chambers. To use them, place the mattress on the bed and fill air or water in the compartment. Cover the mattress with a light bottom sheet. Purpose of that air and water mattress to improve the circulation, to provide the comfort, to prevent the pressure sore. Used in very thin or very obese patient. Used in chronic bedridden patient. Here's the water mattress is help for that. When the patient is on over the bed, patient which side patient will move, that water will be moved to that side. Caution, avoid puncture in the mattress with a needle, pins or other sharp objects, otherwise the water may flow. Rings. Air rings are made of rubber. The air rings is inflated about the half full tested for leakage covered and they placed under the patient's hip in such a way that the value is on one side and not in contact with the body. Cotton rings are made wrapped with a bandage. These are placed under the bony prominence, such as sheets, and fastened in place if necessary. Used to lift the hip from bed to prevent bed sores. It helps to prevent the direct pressure of on bony prominence. It improves the circulation. That is the purpose of rings. Then comes the bed cradles. Yes, bed cradles is very widely in size and in materials. Bed cradles are of wooden, metal or electronic. The bed cradles support and take off the weight of the bedding. Bed cradles are semicircular in shape, made of wood or metal, or electrically made of metal tubing or slots. The purpose of the bed cradle is to use to prevent the top cloth in coming in contact with the patient, especially in a burned patient. To apply heat in case of drying plaster cast. Electronic bed cradles are used to support the desired warmth in the case of shock. Now comes the bed blocks. Bed blocks are made up of wood size, may be high or a low. They are placed under the foot of the bed for various reasons. Purpose of that to prevent the shock, to arrest hemorrhage, to retain enema, after spinal anesthesia, after tonsillectomy, to provide the traction to position in postural drainage. Then comes the air cushion. Air cushions are round in shape and made up of rubber. These can be inflated with air. These are used to take off the weight of the body. The air cushion should not be applied directly in contact with the skin. They should have a cover, otherwise skin may burn. Purpose of that air cushion to relieve the pressure on a certain part of the body. It provides the relaxation as it yields to shifted off body weight and it relieves pressure on certain parts of the body. So these are the comfort devices. What were that? That is a pillow, backrest, rolls, footrest, then sandbags, air and water mattress, rings, bed cradles, bed blocks, and air cushion. I think you understood about the comfort devices. If you need it, anybody in your home, you can provide it pillow. You can provide the backrest with extra pillows. You can provide a footrest and you can provide a rolls with a makeup of cotton sheets, and you can provide in your home air cushion also. So these were the comfort devices. I think you understood this comfort devices. Okay, bye bye.